Hello and welcome back to another video. This week is actually super nice because I finished all of my practical state exams, all of my physical things that I've been training for the last few months, I feel like. So I'm super chill. I still have some exams to go, but none of the physical ones anymore. So we actually slept in, we had brunch now. It's pouring. We want to go skate, we want to go to a coffee shop, we want to do so many things, but it has been pouring, so we just took it for a chill morning. We'll take you along on this week. I'm really excited. Let's see what we get up to and let's go.
Baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep. Why you always in a hurry? You got bigger things planned for you. Don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep. Why you always in a hurry? You got bigger things planned for you. Don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early. I'm worried about my father's health. I'm worried about being by myself. I'm worried I ain't doing too well. I'm worried, but I did it to myself, yeah. I'm worried that you don't need me. I'm worried that you're going to leave me. I'm worried that it won't work out, yeah. I'm worried that I'll never make it out, yeah. Don't worry, baby, don't worry.
After meeting up with Johanna at the cafe, we had some dinner and Luis left for work. Johanna and I actually went to the dance gala, which is where my fellow students showed off their dance choreography they've been working on during the semester for their state exam. Every single gala is super special and it was so much fun seeing what they came up with, and very spontaneously I took the job of the main photographer as they did not have one for the event. So here's some of the pictures that I took of this absolutely lovely night, and also featuring my friends because they slayed.
When I need some loving, baby.
Hello, welcome back. This is day 2 and the gala last night was really nice. Is that
You
okay?
have to
Luis?
extend it more like
I
this.
my arm's too
You
short.
let go, you hold like this.
Okay.
And you said do one thing too.
Yesterday the gala was so nice. I couldn't really take any videos because they didn't have a photographer, so I took some pictures. But as you've seen from the pictures, it was a really lovely evening. I just spent my morning reading, working, and we had brunch, which was amazing. And I just wanted to quickly show you. Also, Luis had a good time working yesterday at a techno festival.
Let's insert a video right now.
Where there were like 200 people on a huge area because it was pouring down, and I just wanted to show you what it realistically looks like if you live in a 16 square meter apartment and you have exams and both of you are working. So let me show you. This is our mess. Yay! We have stuff everywhere. We have a bike in the apartment. You know, sometimes it do be like that. But since it does look like that and the video is currently exporting, we're gonna maybe have a little time lapse of us cleaning up the apartment a little bit. So let's go. After working and cleaning up our little apartment, we were super over our little apartment and went back to Johanna's little apartment for dinner and some drinks.
So
I'm so over studying. I don't want to study anymore. And I didn't even study for that long. I don't know how people do like medicine, law. I don't understand. I just really don't. I'm so over it. I don't want to do it anymore. I have my last exam, my last state exam for the semester for sports tomorrow at 10. Today I did all of this again, and I did all of this again, and I did some on my iPad. So I think, honestly, I'm fine. Like, I don't want to change of topic. You know what I'm changing to? This fucking book. Oh my god, this is so good. Kingdom of the Wicked. I also have the second one here. Welcome back to a little book talk because I really want to talk about books right now. So I'm reading this right now. I'm gonna finish it today for sure. I might finish it like now because I'm already this far into the book. It's almost done, and this is the second one. And tell me this does not annoy you so bad. What is this? And who does this and why? I didn't know there were different sizes, so I just ordered both of these secondhand. I got both of these for like $4.55, which is amazing. I love that. And this is bothering me so much, especially because I really love this actually, and I kind of wanted to also get the third one like right away. And why does a book need to be this big? Like, look at the margins. Look how huge this is. I cannot take this anywhere because it's that big. It's bigger than my head. Anyway, this is so good. This is like the perfect YA, steamy, fast-paced fantasy, romance, thriller, mystery kind of thing. Like, this has everything that you would need in like a YA fantasy. I've been reading this for like the past 2 days and I flew through it, even though I should have been studying. I didn't. I read this book most of the time, and I usually never wear black, but I'm like, ever since I've been reading this, I just like wear all black, and I kind of like match it, and even my fingernails actually match the little serpent thing. I am loving this book, so we're gonna, instead of studying now, we're gonna read and probably finish this book, so let's go.
So when I fall behind, just give me one more day to regret the word I could never say. I'm drowning with the past.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm about to have my last state exam for the semester, and
I'm currently looking for a new job.
True.
I'm sorry.
I know, that's okay. And I'm a little bit nervous, but I
she is indeed
mostly
nervous.
just want to get it over with. So
We have
I'm really
40 more minutes.
yeah, we're gonna leave in like 5.
Are we?
Yes,
Why so soon?
because I want to be there early.
Okay.
Okay. Wish me luck. And after that, we're gonna go to a coffee shop and chill and celebrate. Also, my fit. Ooh, look, the pants, the Billabong corduroy pants, and then the Tash Sultana. Oh, isn't it amazing? The color combination. I love. And Lucy's overall is also really cute. You're gonna see later.
I need your ghost. Melody, I just need to stay awake, but you're obsessed with time. No clue what's at stake. In the final round of
After Luis filled his daily dose of caffeine at this cafe, we had some leftovers for lunch, prepared a pasta salad, and headed to a little barbecue party at Elena's place.
standing over the nightgown. She's got the phone call.
This was such a nice evening because we all had most of our exams done, and so many of my friends from uni are now going abroad for one semester, just like I did last year, and this was a perfect final celebration for us to all be together.
Oh, with the red eyes, tell me his name. It's got you tangled up.
morning. I was having such a rough night. Something triggered me bad yesterday and just like everything came flooding in. I was lying awake until 2 a.m. It was also full moon in Aquarius, so I think that might be explaining some. Anyway, I just cleaned the apartment a little bit and I want to, as I said, get back into yoga, and I don't really want to do it, but I kind of want to force myself to do it so I get back into the grind. So we're going to do some yoga and then we're actually going to go step to the library because I need some books for a video I want to film. Book videos, I'm so excited. I feel like I'm slowly drifting into like the book YouTube realm because I love it. Also, I finished Kingdom of the Wicked. So good. I cannot wait to start the second. It is still raining buckets. It hasn't stopped for like 3 days, I feel like, which is also not really good for the mental health thing. Also, we left our laundry hanging last night outside. It looks so sad now, just hanging in the rain. I feel so bad. But there's no point in taking it in now, so I guess it's just a double wash. I have no idea why this clip is muted. Something must have gone wrong while recording it, but I was basically complaining about how shit my library is because they have such a teeny weeny selection of English books that is actually embarrassing. And they also cannot lend out books from other libraries around, which is super annoying. And the YA section literally consists of maybe 60 books. The only 3 books I found that I was interested in was Pineapple Street by Jenny Jackson, Truly Devious by Johnson, and the first book of the Cruel Prince trilogy by Holly Black. And thank God, finally the weather cleared up long enough for us to have a skate session with our friends, so enjoy. Thank you so much for coming along in a week of my life. I really hope that you enjoyed and that you are also having a great week, and I will see you next Sunday. Bye bye.